We just started this trail called Tunnel Drive. It's right inside Canon City. Warning, trail subject to the following hazards: cave-ins or landslides. It's also about 4 miles, so we'll see how far we get. Do a mile and then turn around. You're coming up here?
I'm coming up here. I'm gonna jump off and coming here.
The views are amazing up here. Oh wow. Look at this. Here come the tunnels.
Ah, dirt bikes.
Oh wow. There's tunnels down there. And there's the train tracks that the Royal Gorge comes through in the Arkansas River. How pretty. So this is tunnel number 1. It's so cool. Here. So nice and cool in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are y'all gonna climb up the side?
No, we're going up here. Right up here.
Go ahead, Peyton. Show me. Climb up it. Coming up on tunnel number 2. Addie got her hydro pack on. We had to get us a few for all these trails. Yep, there's a river. So pretty. Look at this cactus. It's huge. There's a big tunnel, huh? Warning, rock fall area. Use trail at your own risk. Oh gosh. This is where we came through on the train. Headed to the Royal Gorge. All these amazing views here. What do you think of the trail?
So cool up here.
It's so cool up here? What do you have in your pocket? Sticks?
Look at
Well, we made it to the half-mile marker. Let's see how far we can go. Look how gorgeous this is. We saw this trail when we were in the train the other day and wanted to come back and do this. And I'm so glad we did because it's just so awesome. You can see all these rocks up close. It's so neat. What you doing, JoJo? at this place.
This place is absolutely beautiful.
Another mile marker. Not quite a mile. Almost there. We're hoping to see the train while we're out here. We'll have to see if it comes back this way. Somebody got tired. We call him our little papoose. He can only do about half a mile. And then this happens, one of us starts carrying him. We made it to a mile. I think we've decided to turn back around. It's kind of gotten to the heat of the day here. And everybody's getting hot. Look how gorgeous this cactus flower is. So this trail is about 4 miles. And we made it the first mile, which was absolutely amazing. Wish we could have done the whole thing, but it's a little bit much for the kiddos, so maybe we'll try again another day. He's pooped.
No.
I don't. Some of them enjoy the trails more than others. Maybe we'll come back and do a little bit more than we did. Maybe get here earlier next time. But it's such a beautiful day. Look at the scenery. Wow. I could do this all day. The kids would probably be happier in the pool. What do you say? Happier in the pool? Happier in the pool? Bless his heart. We're going back now. Maybe we'll see the train in a minute. It's getting about time. Wow, now that is a drop off. Woo! We had one guy when we first come in. He had a little boom box with him and a GoPro on his head. And he was climbing up the rock so fast. Guess he was like a speed climber or something. Lily, you ready to jump in the pool? Yep, she already got her swimsuit on, don't ya? Look how pretty they're starting to bloom. Another week or two, these will have blooms all over them. Well, we've made it back to the tunnel. I think Chris is fixing to get his drone out. We're clear to fly it over here on this side. It's really cool if you ever get a drone. There's this app that will show you Because it sounds like it's buzzing.